Welcome to our deep dive today. We're exploring a really unique perspective, one that kind of bridges finance and, well, human connection. Our source material comes from the Eva Jade Analyst Top 3 podcast series, specifically the first episode. And it introduces us to the founder, Eva Jade. So our mission here is pretty straightforward. We want to unpack who Eva Jade actually is, get into her, honestly, surprising philosophy that connects market trends with human relationships, and also explore what AnalystTop3.com is all about. We might find some real aha moments here, things that could actually shift how you look at investments, maybe even your own interactions. We're definitely going beyond the surface level today. Okay, so let's get into it. This story is quite something. First off, Eva Jade's origin, it really jumps out. She was born July 15th, 1995 in Miami, Florida. But her upbringing sounds, well, anything but typical. Her mother was Colombian, right? Fled a violent marriage, rebuilt her life in New York, incredible strength there. And in New York, she met Eva's father, a Jewish-American financial analyst, and a programmer too.
Yeah, and that mix, that's what's so fascinating. You've got these like totally contrasting worlds coming together. The passion and resilience from her mother's side, and then the logic, the analysis, the calculation from her father. That really formed who she is.
It sounds like it.
She actually talks about living between salsa music in the kitchen and stock charts on glowing monitors, literally. So from her dad, she got the analysis part. From her mom, the courage. And that balance, that's just crucial to her whole approach. It's not just background, it's fundamental.
It really shows how different influences can create something totally new, a unique perspective, don't you think?
Absolutely. It lets her connect dots. Most people wouldn't even see her on the same page.
Okay, so here's where it gets, I think, really interesting. Her path into finance. It wasn't exactly smooth sailing. She started trading pretty young, like 18, and, well, she failed, lost money.
And that failure, that experience, it was vital. It wasn't just, losing dollars and cents. She said she learned how markets breathe, learned how fear makes people sell low, greed makes them buy too late. Classic behavioral finance stuff, but learned the hard way.
Right, understanding the psychology.
Exactly. That became a cornerstone for her, understanding the human element behind the numbers. It's what sets her apart from people just like chasing luck or pure algorithms. She got the why.
But finance, for her, it seems like it's only part of the equation. She mentions this second calling. Said that alongside finance, she also studied relationships, the markets of the heart, which, sounds intriguing, maybe a bit out there.
It does at first glance, but if you connect the dots, it actually makes a lot of sense given her background. She took that same analytical lens from finance and applied it to love, to passion, to connection.
How does that work, practically speaking?
Well, she talks about seeing the same kinds of patterns, things like timing, momentum, resistance, and breakthrough. Sound familiar?
Yeah, those are market terms.
Exactly. She's literally decoding attraction, decoding relationships,